That's it.
Hello,
Very
good
good.
evening, everybody. Hello, thank you for being here today with us in our seminal show, Laughter. So we have today Duncan Cook from Canada. He's master trainer from Canada. Thank you, Duncan, for coming. You are very welcome. Thank you for being here today with us. And I will love you to share your experience with laughter yoga. How did you find it? Because we have a lot of people interested about this situation. So tell me.
Okay. Hey. Okay. So, yeah. Thank you, Sabrina, for inviting me to come and speak. And so I'm here. I'm in Kitchener in Ontario, in Canada. And so I'm one of the trainers for laughter yoga. And I first found out about laughter yoga on television. I saw it in television long time ago. And then later on, it was 2005. It was 15 years ago, 16 years. I heard about Madan Kataria. Madan Kataria was in Toronto, and he was doing a 2-day laughter leader training. At the time, I didn't know anything about what this is, and somebody, so a friend of mine said, "Hey, Duncan, would you like to learn how to laugh?" So that was it. I went for 2 days, intensive training on how to laugh. And for me, that was life-changing. It was, the experience was tremendous. I had never laughed so much in all my life. And it was the thing that I found was missing. I was missing laughing. So from that, I encouraged my wife and myself. We started a laughter club, and that continued for maybe 5 years. We were doing laughter club in Guelph, which is a little town outside of Toronto. A little town outside of Toronto, and and then we moved to another town, and it became difficult to find people who wanted to laugh with us, and so it took a long time. But now that we have Zoom laughter sessions, it's very easy to find people to laugh with. So yeah, I love it.
It's very good. It's very good. Online,
I'm very happy.
good. And it works. Yes, me too. Me too. Love you.
Yeah.
Because you are so amazing. You are doing an excellent work with laughter yoga for many, many years. So you are already a master trainer. It's not very easy to become it.
It takes a lot of laughing.
Laughing and work, and and it's not for everybody. Madam Kataria have to really choose the persons and the people who are working for him. And of course you are doing for 16 years now, so it's an amazing career in this moment. And in this moment you work only with laughter yoga, or you do more things?
Well, I do other things. I do meditation practice. I do neurolinguistic programming for personal development, for for problem solving, Life
Yeah,
can be a big problem.
probably.
But the
Coaching.
thing I enjoy the most, I enjoy the laughing the most. It's fun.
Yes, yes, yes.
Mhm.
It's fantastic. It's fantastic.
Yeah.
Thank you, Marlene. Thank you, Leticia. They are watching us. Thank you, who are following us in this moment, and for all the people who are going to see us later. So
Mhm.
tell us, Duncan, what is the thing you really love in laughter yoga? What is the magic you really find in laughter yoga?
Well, in laughter yoga, I discovered that I actually like people. I like people. I didn't know that.
Wow, that's
Because
fantastic.
before laughter yoga, I was like, just shy, quiet. Sometimes I would have some beer, and be, dancing, party. But after that, it was just back to being quiet and shy. And so now with laughter, I'm more alive.
Yeah.
It's given me a passion in life, and I have a purpose now. I have a purpose.
Okay.
Laugh with other people,
Um,
make laughter clubs, enjoy life.
yes,
It's
yes, yes.
transformational. For
Fantastic.
me, it's transformational. Yeah.
Yes, yes, absolutely, absolutely. It was you make a laughter yoga congress in Canada online 1 month
Yeah.
ago, if
Yeah.
I'm not, and I was the pleasure and the honor to be there with all of you.
Mhm.
Tell us what is the experience to get in touch with all of us, share,
Uh-huh.
the videos and the,
Yeah,
tell
yeah,
us
yeah,
about
yeah.
the
Okay,
experience you feel.
three, it took, hi there. It took 3 months, 3 months, three
three
months to
months.
prepare. Well, 3 months, I got
Wow.
the idea. I think this is Zoom time. Nobody can travel, but we can connect. And also the bonus is we can connect with people that are in different countries. And so it was
Yes,
international Canada conference.
yes,
It was a plan I had. I didn't know if it would work, but I connected with people. I connected with you, Sabrina. You said
yes,
yes, and so
yes.
so you said yes. You said okay, let's do it. So we had 3 days. 3 days. It was Friday night, all day Saturday, and then most of Sunday. So it was spread over
Yes.
3 days. It was a big event, but it was very worthwhile. And lots of learning how to use Zoom, learning how to build a website, learning lots of things, and
Yes,
meeting
the
lots of people.
website. Yes, yes, the website is super very nice,
Mm-hmm.
developed, and then you take care about to share all the presentations we made, which
Yes,
is very nice because is the main thing is to share. So you
absolutely.
really share for 3 times. So you make the
Mhm.
congress, we make the presentations, and then you
Yeah,
put in the world on
yeah,
the Facebook. So
on
that's
Facebook.
that's
Yeah,
incredible, incredible, amazing work. Yeah, yeah.
yeah, yeah. We wanna share. We
We
wanna
are
share
really
laughter.
proud of you. We love you so much.
Yeah, it's fun.
Even in
It's fun.
Portugal, you will have a fan club
Yeah.
after this.
Very good. I like it.
Duncan Cook. Yeah, very good. You really
Yeah,
deserve. You really deserve. You really
yeah, yeah.
deserve.
Thank
Who
you so
work
much, Sabrina.
hard, who
Yeah,
work hard, really
yeah.
deserve to have success.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
You're
Yes.
welcome. You're
Mhm.
welcome. So, what about practice a little bit?
Yeah,
Laughter
yeah.
yoga exercises.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
So, what
Yeah.
we can do together at home? So, follow the instructions of Duncan to laugh
Hmm.
together. Tell us,
Yeah.
Duncan.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, I have one exercise I want to share right now, and because in laughter yoga we're laughing, we're using our voice, and our voice has a range. It has a range. It goes high, and it goes low. Okay, and so we can modulate. We start low, go ho 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 ho, and then hee 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 hee. So we just play. We play with the range, and we go ho 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 ho. And then start high. See, we have the range. The range, it goes up and down, up and down, up and down. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, very good.
And then even with breathing, you know, the breathing practice, we have humming. We just got a truck here. Look, truck. Hello,
lovely.
Are you filling this up? No. Okay, I'm just our friends in the truck.
Do you want to laugh with us?
Yeah. Okay, so the humming, you know, for grounding, for being stabilize the laughter. Okay, and we can do you know the high and low. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
You know, we just play with the voice, the range of voice. Because we use our voice with laughing, and so many times in the daytime we don't use our voice. You know, in the office, we're in the computer, we don't use our voice. So laughter allows us to use our voice. That's the big learning. The big learning for me to say and even sing. I love it.
Our laugh is talking. Our laugh is talking.
Yes.
Yeah, very good. Yes.
Oh, ha,
ha.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah, me too. We too. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Duncan. Tell me if you want to send a message for us to finish our live today.
Okay, for the laughing friends in Portugal. For laughing friends in Portugal, I know there's lots of laughing people in Portugal. I know that hundreds of laughter yoga in Portugal. So I want to say thank you to everyone in Portugal for bringing laughter to the world, for sharing laughter. Yeah, all countries need to have their laughing champions. We need to support the laughter champions.
Yes. So true.
My message is thank you. Yes.
Thank you, Duncan. Thank you very much for being here with us, for sharing your experience, and thank you, really. Thank you to everybody. Okay, we will see next week again on Monday, 7 p.m. With another super nice person with us, and take care. Have a nice week, and see you next Monday. Ho ho.
Bye bye.
Very good. Very good. Thank you, everybody. Sofia, thank you, Fernanda. Thank you very much. Thank you, Isabel Costa. Thank you for being here. Bye. Thank you, Duncan.
Yeah,
See
thank
you.
you.
See you.
Bye, Sabrina.
Bye.
Bye.